welcome back. Today I am going to share how can we install the AI knowledge-based chatbot app on our store, and how can we configure this and make fully workable. First, let's discuss about the chatbot. This chatbot is a fully AI based chatbot which implemented on RAG. It will automatically learn your shop and store, and it will create its own knowledge bands, and it will reply to the user as per your site content. Let's see how we can install. First, click the install, then install. It is as usual like other app. We can install this. Okay, now we have to configure the AI provider settings. We have different option like OpenAI, Gemini, OpenRouter, Grok. You can just configure one. Like I am configuring OpenAI, so you can set here any model, and default widget text we can we can change and update here. Also color and the widget position we can change from here. Okay, there's save. Okay, now in the knowledge base section we can create knowledge base one by one, different category like FAQ, policy, product info, shipping, custom. We can give one by one title and select category and content from here. Okay, then the install guide, how we can do workable and visible on our shop. So let's go to the shop. Here we can edit theme option. Click the edit theme option, then we will able to see a app embed option. Here see the PoetAI chat widget which already enabled. So if you don't enable, just make it enable and save here. Also from here you can control the widget text, color, position, everything. Okay, and default message, greeting message. See, it is now visible, and it is showing on your site now. So if we visit the shop now, see, it is showing fine and working. We can find refund policy. It is just preset one-click message. User easily can track order, shipping, and refund policy, everything, just clicking one click. Okay, so and we can start chat. See, our AI is responding. Okay, so this was today's video about the AI chatbot plug app and the Shopify app setup tutorial. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.